let's get into delivery best practices. First thing first, you should set up DKIM and SPF records. Now, we can get into it from a technical perspective, and if you're using PowerBox Marketing, you'll definitely need to set this up, and there's instructions, and if you really don't know how to set this up, shoot me an email. I'll send you a video of how to set it up. But basically, these are authentication aspects, elements. I don't really know what to call them because I'm not super technical myself. But these are authentication protocols that tell Google that you're a real company with a real domain and you are who you say you are. So if I'm going to email you from dean@powerbox.com, DKIM and SPF records tell the recipient system that this is actually powerbox.com sending the email, and it is actually dean@powerbox.com sending the email. So when I say don't worry about the email content, you don't have to worry about the email content because you've set up DKIM and SPF records. The second delivery best practice is be readable and be reasonable. So sure, if you start sending people 8 emails a day, and I know I said content doesn't really matter, but if you write in all caps with 50 exclamation marks and $20 that might trigger some older spam filters. But if you send nice emails that people want to receive, you will always land in the inbox. Don't purchase lists. This shouldn't surprise anyone, but people still buy lists. If any list seller tells you, don't worry, this is opt-in, they're lying. If people didn't opt in to you, that's not an opt-in list. So if you want to ruin your domain's reputation, purchase list. If you don't want to ruin your domain's reputation, don't purchase lists. Good behavior compounds delivery. Basically, if you are a good sender and you have a reasonable open rate and recipients don't flag you as spam, your delivery will remain good and it will get better. And if you use, for email marketing, a reputable email platform, for example, PowerBox Marketing, I promise I'm not doing sales stuff here, but basically, if you use a reputable email platform, everyone who is a good sender basically lifts each other up. So make sure you're only ever sending with reputable email platforms. And clean up your list periodically. People are generally quite concerned about unsubscribes and bounce rates. Don't worry, you want them off your list. Getting them off your list is actually, it cleans your list, it cleans things up, and it will improve your delivery over time.